I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about, which I was talking about AI art, whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you. Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, you think I'm ugly, like, or whatever. You think my hair looks stupid? But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea. Like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hair stuff. And I'm going to just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm going to send it to him. I'm going to be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol? So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem. Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1. Miropelia is book 2. And I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programmy stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe. So you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. Yeah, just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on
The king has been unthroned. Off to bed for the win.
That was the most,
Woo!
style. That has to
What
be
is
the
up?
defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, I do.
Hey! Happy Monday. Very exciting. Kidding me? Oh my god. Everything's so loud. Let me turn this fucking mic down. Hold on. Hello. It's probably a little better. Yeah, man. You got first. Indy must be dead. If he's not already here. Oh my goodness. What is going on, everybody? It is a glorious Monday. Weekends are overrated. And we have a game to work on. And game engine. Alright. Well. Got some new stuff for the products. Check it out. We have the Orbem Water packaging, which came out really nice. This is where you'll find your flex keys in the box. Fits nicely. Ooh, very nice. And yeah, that's where you'll get these flex keys. Enjoy. And you can also see the making of flex keys on my other channel, or mortar printing. Yeah, man, these things are pretty cool, I gotta say. They come in all types of colors, anything you like. Yeah, if you're into Christmas or candy canes, also Christmas. Finally have the nice label printer and all that kind of stuff, so shipping is going to be a lot more professional. But yeah, I've been working over the weekend a little bit on the assets for Skip to Orbem. As you can see, it's a little bit more 3D looking and not like just a flat room. There's kind of like a curve, you know, like an angle to it now, where the back wall actually looks, you know, the same direction he's facing. You know, there's like a back wall. He goes in front of the doorways, you know, and it looks a lot more legit now. At least aspect wise, you know what I mean? Before it was just, you know, almost like a top view, but he wasn't facing, like you weren't just seeing the top of his head. So this is pretty cool. Yeah, I think we're gonna work on getting more of the final assets together. I'll probably do some more set dressing in here. Indy! Hey, that's cool, man. Off the bed took your thunder. See if we can get stream avatars going. Face to face. Tear off your armor. But yeah, I was just showing off the new background. This isn't the final, obviously. I'm gonna put stuff in the background. But you see how it looks. It's not just like a top view anymore. It's kind of like a angled view, like a normal RPG should be. So it looks a lot more natural than as if it was like a top view of like a maze. That's what it was kind of looking before. So I got rid of all the doors and I fixed the walls where it just kind of makes more logical sense now. You see, like, the wall is at an angle. Looks like he should be standing in front of that wall. Should I add a... When I think about it, I'm wondering if I should be adding shadow. Because the image technically cuts off at his feet. I could probably just add a shadow to the actual image. I also changed how tall he is. That's something we actually need to fix. I just remembered. So, for some reason, I changed it from 1000 by 1000 to 800 by 800. I wanted there to be more space. And this is when we were rewriting walking. So I made it 800 by 800. But I realized that when you're doing 800, even 800 by 800, there was too much top space to where like I couldn't cut the screen off like that, where it's the back wall. So I instead, I made him 400 by 400 top instead. But it doesn't work like the left and right for some reason. You see, like, he's still stuck at the top, even though he's moving down and there's room underneath him. So it seems as though the, I mean, until you go to the end, it seems that the scroll isn't allowing him, see, like, allows him a little bit to move freely without scrolling because the end is already scrolled. But it seems like top and down is just scrolling the whole time. So I have to figure that out. I don't quite know why he's stuck to the top. Because his top position shouldn't be reliant. Let's see, scroll to view. So, yeah, scroll into view. So scroll into view, you gotta make a script or something to automatically make your category. Ah, you son of a bitch. I don't even know if I could do that. Can you automatically? It's Restream. They don't do it. They don't change the category for some reason. I don't know why. Because I have my category all set for the, you know, the YouTube Shorts live feed one. But for some damn reason, it won't do it for the full size Twitch. But that's why you're here, right? One of the reasons. That's why you're VIP. So yeah, how do we do this? Because scroll into view should only matter if he's out of view. It shouldn't be scrolling up and down regardless. So where is the scroll into view? Like, why is scroll into view making the top scroll? I think I need to check out what scroll into view does. Because I know there's like, yeah, here we go. Align to top. See, that's what I don't want. I don't want it to align to anything. Align to top. If true, the default value is start. If the top of the element will be aligned to the top of the visible area of scroll with ancestor. See, I don't want that. False. The bottom of the element will be aligned to the bottom. See, I don't want that either. Shit. Does it have to be bottom or top? Because I don't want it to follow him up either. Maybe I should see if it actually does that. Oops. Wait, is it just like that though? What does it look like when you put the options in? Oh, just false, yeah. But maybe block has something to do with it? Defines a horizontal alignment. See, I don't want the horizontal. But the vertical, wait, nearest. Yeah, what's block do? Block defines the vertical alignment of the element within the scroll. This option is a string except one of the start, aligns with the top, center, vertical, which I also don't want, end is bottom, nearest. Scrolls the element to the nearest edge. If the element is closer to the top edge, it'll be top. If he's closer to the bottom. Okay. Maybe I should try... Well, I'm going to try false first and just see what that does. But then I want to try block nearest and see if that works. Because I want him to be able to walk up and down freely. And I guess I just had it at 1,000 by 1,000, so I never knew that it was locked to the top. Oh my god. Why am I not logged in? No, false is still locked to the top. That's weird. It should be... Wait, what? Maybe false isn't what I think it is. What the fuck is false then? False. The bottom will be aligned to the bottom. Block end nearest. See, why is it doing that? It should be the bottom. But it's not. It's the top. He's still on the top. Maybe if he... No. Let me try going down more. Okay, so I'm all the way down. Let's try going up now. No, it's still aligned to the top. That's weird. I mean, let's keep trying to move them around. Why am I using Mac character instead of box? Oh shit, I'm not even on the right thing, am I? I'm on move character. God damn it. I'm like, why isn't it changing? Oh shit. I don't even know what this is. Here we go. Let's try this one. False. This will probably put it on the bottom now. See if this looks good. Yeah, okay. So now the bottom is aligned. I mean, center is fine, I guess. It's just there's no reason to make him 400 by 400 then. It's just like, you see bottom is so fucked up. Because here, he's so close to the top that when he goes to the top, it's not that much. But when it's bottom, it scrolls him up too much. That's what I don't want. I definitely don't want it like this, but maybe I should just make him taller again. I don't know, let's see what the other settings do first. Let's try, what was it? Nearest? Block. So inline nearest is whatever the nearest is. What's block do? It defines the vertical alignment. Oh, block nearest. Let's try block nearest. Wait, what's inline do? Horizontal. Okay. Block nearest. Let's try that. Let's see. This could be good. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's exactly what we want. Look. He can go up and then it aligns to the top. Dude. That's exactly what I wanted. Because look, now I can walk around the screen freely. You can go through there and it scrolls with him. And I want more space on left and right. I just want you to be able to see more. But like when you walk down, I mean, maybe I want you to see more too. I think I just always wanted you to be able to walk back and forth. Maybe 400 is too small. Might be kind of dumb not to do it like this. I might have to change all this shit again though. God damn it. So at least you'll have a little bit of movement back and forth when you go up and down. Won't be a lot. Depends on your screen size though. It could be a lot. Could be not a lot. Alright, let's see what that looks like. I gotta change the styling too. Indy, did you see the new packaging? Ooh, this could have been you. It wasn't ready yet. You can get your flex key. Label will be on the bottom. Pretty nice. You have to rebuy another one. You should get a weird color next time, though. Alright, let's see how it looks now. Okay. So yeah, see, we have a little bit of walking room. Not a lot. I just wonder, maybe 600. Maybe 400 wasn't enough. But I think 600 might actually be good. Let's do 600 for height. Because I still want a little bit more room. And you're always going to have a wider screen, unless it's on a phone. Yeah, let's try this out. So let's do 600. Let's go back. Change you to 3. 400. Change you to 3. Change you to 3. And 3. Oh, I didn't change this one. 3. No. Oh, I didn't change this one either. Shit. 3. How did I miss all those? Okay. That should be good. Let's try it again. Yeah, I have this cool little printer here now. For labels, for printing labels and other shit. Little stickers and stuff. Which I'm going to have to move, actually. This is going to have to go somewhere else. I was just testing it out. But I want my keyboard back because I have to make some more songs. There you go. So plenty of movement now. But now, it's still a lot. You can still see a pretty good amount above you. Alright, let's push this up and see what it looks like on the full map. And then let's finish adding shit. I want to add, like, stuff on the walls. Water coolers. Shit like that. I'm still going to add items to it that you can interact with, like breakable plants and collectible shit, coffee, you know what I mean? I think I'm going to make one of the offices the break room. Just so you can kind of walk around a little bit. Like, let's look here. I think I could definitely make... Because this is supposed to be my office here. This is my office. This is the botanist's office. I can make this the break room up here. Would be a little weird having the break room right above where the boss is, but whatever. We can make this the break room. Add like a coffee table with coffee, and I'll let you like collect the coffee from the table. And maybe we'll have a fridge down here. I don't know. I mean, it's a pretty expensive tech company, but I've been in very expensive tech companies, you know, like billion-dollar corporations, and they don't look, you know, super fabulous all the time. Usually startups are the ones that look a little bit crazier, but this is like a $1 trillion company. So, I mean, they have the glass walls, but that's about it. I also need to add the doors. Alright, let's see what this looks like in the full map. Yep. So now that I have a little more room... Okay, good. The wall's still not too big. But I still have room to walk up and down. And that's a good amount of space to walk up and down without it scrolling. You just sold all your investments. Just gotta wait for it to clear. Why'd you sell all your investments? Man, no attention span, I swear. Kids be selling all their investments. I've had investments for years. You're dropping it like it's hot. You're losing too much? Yeah, but they come back, man. They're stocks, you know? They're not, I mean, unless the company goes completely out of business, which it happens. I have a stock right now. I don't know if you ever heard of, yes, flex keys are better than stocks. Flex keys should be a publicly traded company. No, but I have you heard of Smile Direct Club? You ever seen the commercials for those? It's like the invisible braces, kind of like Invisalign, but like it was its own thing. Smile Direct Club. Hell yeah. Ooh, that's a good stock symbol. I'm gonna keep that. Unless the AI company gets it first, the egg company. Yeah, the Smile Direct Club. I bought their stock. Just my parents. It was like a tip from them, and they did as well. And I went up 124% profit. And I was like, oh, should I sell it? You know, my parents like, I don't know, man. They said they're gonna go even higher. They end up tanking, and they end up going down, down, down. And I hold all stocks until I want like the tax write-off for capital gains, and it literally went to zero. They went out of business. Yeah, I mean, you can look them up right now. I should have sold. Yeah, but that's the game. You know what I mean? What if you sold and it doubled? You know what I mean? Then you're gonna get that FOMO and be like, oh, I could have had 200%. Which my meta stock has been over 200%. So it's like it can happen. It's not crazy to think that your stock can go over that much. But you know, you run the risk if you wait too long, you make nothing. Is a little bit of money worth it, you know, or is no money? You know, and it can come back. I mean, I've had stocks where I'm down for a long time, and then they go up. Something happens. Economy changes. Something happens with the sector that it's in, you know? That's why you diversify. That's why you buy stocks in different things. I have a gold ETF. Gold is completely different than tech stocks. It's not reliant. Tech goes down, my gold is still going up. You know what I mean? And then I have, you know, I got the chips, you know, we got the big Amazons, the Metas, the tech sector, but in different diverse categories. So it's like, it's good to not have the same type of stock, like for all of your investment. But yeah, there's a lot of times I should have sold. Plenty of stocks. But you get greedy, you seen it going up, and you want it to keep going. You're like, I want a little bit more. Yeah, it's hard. When to sell. When to buy? Pretty easy. Wait long enough and it usually goes up eventually. But when to sell is the hardest. Yeah, especially if you're impatient. Very hard. Let's just double check. That it actually did change. Well, it did because I can go up and down now, so. Okay. I think we're good. I think we have the walking thing down. That was great. I really wasn't hopeful that it was going to work, actually. But yeah, it looks good. I do wish I could walk a little taller. Like I should make the wall come down a little bit more. But then it would be really tall. And I don't want the wall to seem that tall. I also don't want to show the black if I don't have to. Even though on the left and right and bottom you can see it. But at a certain point you don't have a choice. It's going to have to cut off at some point. Okay. Cool. Well, let's add some more shit. So let's do the doors. That's something that this is going to need. So this is the 3D portions of the glass. And now the doors need to go underneath that. But it needs to go in... Actually, it needs to go underneath both, I think. It needs to be covered up. Oh, no. It needs to go in front of this, actually. Ooh, that's going to be hard. I'm going to have to cut it out of the bottom. What do you think of... Love it. Love it. So, Doors are kind of weird. I was looking at some examples. And not this one. This one. So this has doors. And in this example, the door's kind of like, this is the top of it. The only investment that went up was Apple. Yeah. Well, that's good. Apple's doing well. I don't know what I'm at. I just put some more into all of them, so I don't know. Just waiting for Nvidia to bounce back more. And then this is supposed to be the side of the door, and that's a little bit of shadow down here. So I think it looks weird like that. Like here's another door. Like, how is that the side of the door? It doesn't make sense because this is the wall. So I feel like the door should come way down, like where this dark spot is would make more sense angle-wise. So I'm gonna try that. So if we do... Whoa! What were you thinking? It's true. How could I be so blind? Fan favorite. Scotch thing. And I did get a refill, so we're in luck. Nailed it. Hey, cheers. Happy Monday, everybody. Fantastic. Oh, yeah. Happy goddamn Monday. Okay. So we'll do a little bit back here. We definitely want to go all the way down. But we're going to change basically how it's going to look. Let's do the light blue. And then let's take maybe this much. Something like that. Give it a little bit of a 3D. Let's add the stroke to it. And let's get rid of the shadow though. We don't need that. You have a bug? What? I highly doubt there are any bugs. And there you go. That kind of looks like a door. Only problem we're going to have with these doors is they don't move. So, I guess I didn't think about animating doors. If you go to Orbem Explorer and you're not logged in, the video is above the login. I gotta get rid of that fucking page, actually. Good call. Yeah, we need to get rid of that page because I don't... Explorer's not the video game anymore. It's Escape to Orbem now. I don't even know where how that video got there, actually. Oh my god, come on. Pages. Explore. Goodbye. You were fun while you lasted. Permanently delete. There you go. Same thing happened here? When you're not logged in? Let's see. Could be right. Oh, right. Because if you're not logged in, it gives you the starting... I mean, either way, if you're logged in or not, if it doesn't see that you are logged in and started the game, it gives you the video. Which is fine. It's going to just start it again, I think. Will it start it again, actually, if you log in? No, it starts the starting music. That's fine. The video's invisible? What are you using? You using Chrome? I mean, there is no video, by the way. I didn't upload one. It's just a blank screen. I need to add it. Let's add it and see if it works. Might as well. I was just trying to kind of avoid it, I think. Game options. Oh, I did add it. Why isn't it working? Huh. Yeah, it's there. That's weird. Why isn't the intro video working? I thought I didn't add it. Works local. Maybe it's a Google thing. It doesn't let you auto start videos. Let me see. Let's try that again. Oh no, now it worked. It's just like in the way. Why is the video there? Why are you the video? Can you see if the video's playing now? It shouldn't be, but it is now. I don't know why it's working all of a sudden. I'm going to go to Firefox. Escape to Orbem. Yeah, see, I was getting this black thing before, which resources blocked, opaque response blocking. Something about ignoring. Oh wait, what's this? No, it's Cloudflare. Ignoring. I think it has something to do with auto-played videos. Yeah, no. It's doing the same thing on Firefox that it was doing to me on Chrome. I mean, I'm getting black, but I guess you could get transparent. I think it has something to do with the user interaction thing. Like, they don't like when you start videos without a person interacting. So I might need to. I just wonder if it would matter even if you were logged in. I don't think that would fix it. Well, let's try. Let's try logging in. Let's see if that fixes it for some reason. So skip, let's log in. Right? What? I don't know my own password. I'm about to get locked out of my own thing. The fuck? Huh. I don't know. I guess I can't test it in Firefox. Let's try Safari. Yeah, it's doing the same thing. Wait, what? Oh god. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to cross-browser checking. I don't know. It started the video audio, even though I skipped it. Yeah. This is why you put things on production. These are just things that, you know, I wouldn't run into locally because I'm not going to go through all that. Also, this is why it's a lot easier to build a video game on a website, because there's a lot, it's a lot easier to understand how browsers interact with games than it is to understand how, you know, compilers and game players work on a website, you know what I mean? It's all the same shit as web development. Alright, anyways. We'll fix that. I'm not too worried about it right now. I'm more worried about the damn game. As long as you can get in and play. I'm not worried about the experience yet. The button that takes you to skip to Orbem thing takes you to explore stuff. What button? There's a button? Oh, is it Orbem.games? Because I haven't changed that yet, I don't think. Yeah, it takes you here. What? Oh, did I? I thought I got rid of that. Oh shit, you're right. No, coming soonish. There shouldn't be anything. Wait, where's the button for it? I thought I got rid of that button. Oh, explore! Oh, I forgot about that. Shit. It was hiding in plain sight! What? How dare you? I was already logged in. Oh my god, it logged me out. You son of a bitch. I have to wait 20 minutes to log into my own site. Ugh. That's fine. Let's work on the on the doors. Son of a bitch. So I had handles in the other one because it just didn't look like a door to me, but I think in this one I'm not going to do handles because it's going to be like that push, saloon style doors that you see in offices. That being said, we need to animate doors. You know what I mean? So, I created blockades and all that kind of stuff to physically stop you, but it would be weird if you just walk through doors, right? Because I'll end up just walking over it, and that's weird, right? How do people do walking through doors in RPGs? I mean, in this game, they're opening the door. But those are the up and down doors. I don't know. Should I do opening doors? Or should I just, like, fade them out? Like, if you walk, they just disappear? Is that weird or is that cool? Like, if you walk through a door that's not locked, maybe I should just have it, like, fade out and then fade back in when you're not on it. We might have to test this out. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to save it. Okay, this is a door. I'm going to export this. And then we're going to save it. Game creative. Glass door. And then let's create a way of adding doors. I mean, doors are going to be pretty important. But also, you can have a lot of doors. It would be really annoying to have to define so many doors. I wonder if there's a way for me to do that automatically. You know, not using the same item logic that I've been using. But I mean, when you go to area, it's going to be really hard to differentiate. And I couldn't do like an extra layer on top of the map of just doors because I wouldn't want to fade all the doors out and then all the doors, you know what I mean? It'd have to be like an all or nothing thing. So I don't think I have a choice. I think it's going to have to be like signs where you have to place them. Doors. What a stupid thing to add. I'm gonna look it up real quick. How do RPGs handle doors in their game assets? This isn't helping me. RPG door logic. This isn't telling me what I want. Like, I just haven't played enough indie RPG games. I've seen plenty of them, but they never have... If they have a door on a wall, you have to load the area. Like, it's always just like an open space. I mean, maybe I just don't do doors. Does it look weird without doors, do you think? Does it look weird without doors? Let's ask DeepSeek. My RPG... Oop. Pixel RPG look weird without internal doors on the map. AI is the only opinion I can trust, since none of you guys are answering. Depends on the style. Should game minimalist, immersion, doors are often serve as transition spaces. Yeah. Creative alternatives. You don't have to use traditional doors. You can make archways, curtains, magical barriers, glowing. True. I don't know. YouTube Shorts live feed. What do you guys think? Is it weird to not have doors? Like, should I leave the openings doorless, or should I add doors inside the game? Like, is this weird not having a door to an office? Anybody? Bueller? Bueller? Well, first of all, I think this opening is just too big now. You know, at first it was too small, but now I feel like all the doorways are just massive. Because I was trying to kind of match. I was worried about not being able to fit, but now I kind of like overly fit, don't I? I don't know. Maybe just for this office, I'll leave them big. So maybe it's not weird. I do talk about a door in the book, though. Like, my name's on the door. Or maybe I only put a door on my office with a sign on it. I don't know. Indy, what do you think? Trying to think how's Pokemon do it? Bing bong bing. Do 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 do. I'm just trying to think when you go inside of a building. Trying to remember inside the old video game. Do 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 do. Yeah, they never have internal doors, do they? Everything just kind of, you just gotta walk around. And yeah, like, even this doesn't have a door, it just takes you to another room. Such a good game. All right. I think I'm going doorless. I think it's an unnecessary, like, crazy amount of work for something that could be weird. Like, maybe I'll add doors for some parts. But I think overall, like, there aren't any doors I know in the grid when you go to Thyrus. So there's no doors inside the research lab. So maybe I won't add random doors here just for this. So no doors. Doors gone. No doors. You done. No. We leave you. Though, I wouldn't mind adding a door at least to the boss's office. Because that's one that actually transitions you to another area. So if you walk into the door, it'll take you there. Why not? So why don't we at least move this over there? So then at least it seems a little special. Maybe we can add some like gold door handles too. Ooh, that's exciting. Let's add like a gold door handle. No, 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 no. Oh, no, I'm almost stuck on the fucking Pokemon soundtrack. We'll do like a double door. Ooh. How about full opacity, you scumbag? So we'll do like... Yeah, this is gonna have to go underneath. There we go. Double door. We'll do that. And then on the actual door, let's put a black line. You're back? Oh, good. I was asking you questions the whole time. What? That's weird. Why? The fuck? Nice. Now, okay, perfect split. Let's add some gradient and shit to this. Stroke. Black. Perfect. Perfect. Love them. I guess I don't even need the gradient, but let's just see what it looks like. Oranges. Do some sort of gold. Those are yellows? Iridescent, no. Neutrals, no. Pastels, no. Guess we can just make it up then. What are basics? No. Let's do this, but instead of this pink, let's do like just a darker gold. Yeah, something like that. And then in the middle, let's do another one. Add. How do I add? I think I could add another one. Yeah, whatever. That looks dumb. Let's just leave it. We'll leave it gold. Hey, up to bed! Ooh, what song solo are you learning? There we go. Now it looks like a fancy. Ooh, that does not look center though. Because it is not. Son of a bitch. Hold up. I need to delete that. This no good. The fuck? Oh, wrong part. Alright. Wait. Where's the fucking door? Uh-oh. Is this the door? Oh, this is the door. What the hell did I draw on? Yeah, whatever. Hotel California? Nice. You been practicing? Yeah, no problem, man. You get yours. Practice makes perfect. Alright, so actually the center of the door is right here. More like... Shit. There we go. Let's actually... That's too much. It's more right here. Yes. Too big. Right here. There we go. Hey, it's the same song that's playing right now.
Aaron 1206 _ just followed.
Hey, Aaron, how you doing? Welcome to the party. Welcome, man. Hey. It is wild. There's nothing more wild than a WordPress game engine. Ask anybody. Basic HTML, CS stuff. Hey. You could actually work on this game then. Because it's basically just HTML and CSS. JavaScript, obviously. But if you know some vanilla JavaScript, or you can learn it, you could work on this game. I mean, the HTML is being generated from PHP because WordPress. You do some JS too? Yeah, this is just web development, man. I mean, I know it looks complex because I've been working on it for a long time. But it's just a lot of JavaScript functionality built into a styled web page with image assets and settings and stuff like that from WordPress. Oh, hell yeah. Aaron McLean. I like it. Sure. Yeah, I'll check it out sometime, man. You do web development? Let's check the DMs. That guy. Something about Luke's Goldie. What? What happened? No, not really web. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Cool. You're just a fan. That's cool, man. No, that's great. Yeah, well, I'm a WordPress programmer by trade, day job, website programmer. So, yeah, I just decided this is my website, so I'm gonna build the game into it. This game's based off of my book series. Yeah, no, it's really weird. If you check it out, if you know WordPress at all, these are all custom post types that I use to define things in the game. So like cutscenes, enemies, weapons, signs, missions, mini games, all this stuff. And these are like general items and whatnot. I got kicked out of my own website, but yeah, this is my website here. There you are, Aaron, right there. You're on the list. You're in the Orbem order. Yeah, I developed a Twitch plugin too for WordPress. But you gotta get that .com. I'm telling you, man. I have a lot of domain names. They're very fun. And yeah, $13. That's pretty good actually. For how many years? No, let's click XYZ. Yeah, I think you're not wrong. You can get a .io or something like that. Those are always trendy. But yeah, feel free to ask any questions while you're getting confused by what I'm doing. That looks like halfway. So let's actually move these. There we go. Now it looks like a halfway. That looks like the opening to his office now. Cool. We'll leave that. Now we kind of have to just like add shit on the walls and stuff, bulletin boards and all those fun assets. And then, like I said, all the things on the ground I'll probably leave alone. T3 stack. Just Next.js. Little thing called Next.js. Let me lock this. I want to lock that. Yeah, and this whole game's built, based off of my sci-fi fantasy book series, the Harmonian Chronicles. So, the beginning of the game right now that I'm building is based off of Orbem. That's book 1. And who knows when we'll get the Miropelia. Shit. I'm writing book 3 right now, but this game has to get finished first. At least the demo. Which is what we're building out in production right now. Which I still need to fix the whole login system. Or account creation system. Because right now you have to go to the register page to create. I don't think you can't create like on the game yet. And I think I want to make sure that you could register on the game. Oh yeah. Indy decides to give us his life story. It's very interesting. All right. So we decided no doors. This is going to be the room, the rec room or whatever the fuck. This is the room that people chill in. Let's I think we need to build things in front of here, but behind here. Started coding when you were 6. Nice. Yeah, that makes sense. That dude's always losing his dignity. So let's make some tables, which I'm just going off of my brain here as far as scale is concerned. Maybe something like that. I think they'd have like steel tables. I think it might be hard to make everything the same color. Everything's gray and white. So let's just do the typical like brown tables. It'd probably make a lot more sense. Make it kind of a woodish. Maybe like a dark wood though. Yeah, I guess it could be nice and dark. Wrong one. Nice. Oh yeah, you guys are the same age. Yeah, I kind of put that together not that long ago. Thought that was cool. And then let's add a little bit of 3D here. Go a little darker. Okay. And then let's do a couple table legs, which we could do with steel. Why not? We'll go to like there. I'll do a new line so that I can change them a little bit. Steel. These we can make a little gradient-y. Let's keep these aligned. Should be like 3 lines maybe. Yeah, we'll do 3. Yeah. Now we're tabling. And let's make them 1. Let's add a gradient. Definitely not that color. Oh, I guess I can do pattern. Let's try a pattern overlay, make him look like steel or something. Oh yeah, I don't have anything good. That's fine. Let's do grays. Grays. Steel. Oh yeah, now they look like steel. We'll add a nice stroke. Why do I have 2 strokes? That's kind of weird. There we go. And then let's do a little bit of drop shadowing because they're on the edge here. There we go. Go a little darker. Go a little closer. Go a little darker. A little more spread. Something like that. And then let's actually add a little bit of darkness underneath the table as well. A little shadow. Actually needs to go under the legs now I think about it. We're gonna go black. Nope. Black. And just go low opacity. Oh yeah. Now we're cooking. 3D. Ooh, refresh. What was I thinking? Oh, I never turned it back on. That was weird. My bad. If I need a guitar for anything? Hell yeah, man. You just write a sick-ass solo and I'll fit it in. Don't you worry none. 100%. Because, yeah, I always need fighting music and shit. Write any song. I'll add it in the game. Alright, there we go. This is looking pretty table-y. Let's make sure we group all this together. I think these are all table. Nice. Alright, here we go. That looks pretty good. I think it's similar angle to everything else. Should be able to put stuff on there. Do I need something fast? Nah. Take your time. Yeah, you guys should jalab 100%. And if you guys don't jalab, you're not trying hard enough. Alright, here we can put some like coffee shit. Let's do some furniture first. Let's finish all the furniture first, and then we'll put shit on the furniture. I mean, for a level that you're going to be only in for like a second, it still has to matter because like this is the first thing you do. I guess we can add more like 2 more tables over here. Or maybe like a circular table in the middle where people can sit. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. So this one's going to be circle table. And we'll just match the same colors. We'll do an oval. Something like that. And we'll center that. Oh, I'm gonna have to make this collision point though, otherwise you're gonna be able to walk on it. I didn't think about that. I can do that. I can add it to the map. But it's gonna have to match exactly. So, alright. Maybe I'll just do wall tables for now then. I don't know. I kind of want to put a table in there though. Let's see. Okay. I guess we'll leave that alone for now then. Because I'll put a table with some chairs around it and that'll finish this off. Furniture-wise. And then here is my office. Now my office needs to look kind of torn down. So just a bunch of boxes everywhere. So let's do some boxes. What? Where's that group that I just made? Yeah, we don't need this new layer anymore. Oh, it's down here. Table gone. table there. Alright. So now above the table. Nope, that's in the table. Let's lock the table. Can I lock you? Yes, locked. Okay. Above the table. Okay. So in here, this is my office. We're going to do some boxes. Box color, box color. Do 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 do. What's a box color? Oh, there's a box next to me. It's like that, but a little redder. A little brighter. Yeah, something like that. A doop doo doo. Box color, doop a doo doo. When you get that stripe shit set up, I'll do giveaway for the Jalab Max. Well, I already have all that payment gateway stuff. If you want, we can just set it up with my stuff. I can take. I've got like a POS system too. We can do subscriptions through the website. So let's do box. Then we'll do another box. Like that. Can't you make a cube in this pretty easily? Don't they have 3D shapes or some shit? Actually, I think I can just generate this. Hold on. I want to try to generate this instead. Let's do this. Stack of boxes. Whoa. What was that? Oh, that's kind of cool. Not what I was trying to do, but... Oh, this needs to be above this, huh? Generate fill. Stack of 8-bit pixel boxes. Let's see what that does. That'd be helpful because I don't have no clue how to do that. Yeah. Don't worry about it. Ooh. That's pretty close. Shittier. Stack of brown pixel, 8-bit pixel. Let's do pixel art. Pack stack of. Face reveal when? Never. You'll never see my face. Not once. There was a time I thought about it, but not showing my face. Hey, that's not bad. It's still a little bit. They're still like a little too shitty. And I also need to move this up. There we go. Oh, I didn't realize. Yeah, we're gonna have to chill with that. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Try again. Now that it has the real background it's gonna be on. Oh, sorry. I wasn't paying attention. Yeah. 99.9% of the income. You get a flat fee for building the website. That's what you get. So good. You should check out this channel, actually. Cover them all. Very good covers on this channel. I highly suggest you follow that channel. Subscribe. Alright. You almost done with the 4th chapter? Nice. And then write chapter 1 and 2? Yeah, I wish you would write chapter 1 and 2. What? Ooh, I like how it looks like it's busting out of the wall. That's funny. Ooh, that's not bad. Yeah, not bad. That's weird. I don't know. Do I mind that? I kind of like that. That'll work. Let's do another one. Let's make this one a little bigger. Stack of boxes. Pixel art boxes. What's a flat fee? That means you get paid for the project. Boom. Here's whatever. $2,000. Thanks for your work. And that's it. Any money that the company makes after that is all mine. Something like that. You're like, son of a bitch. Ooh. I don't like that they look different. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to select the whole office and say fucking put boxes everywhere. That would actually make a lot more sense. Let's do that. Okay. Here we go. So we're here. And we're going to do this. Covered with stacks of cardboard pixel art boxes. There we go. What if it makes $1 million and I only get 1,000? Yeah, that's the risk you take. You take money up front, or do you take royalties? You got to make that deal. I like how it fills the entire space. That's not at all what I was talking about. And why is it all... What the fuck? What's with the background? Man, I thought that would work. Alright, let's try it on a blank background again. And let's just do this inner area. Racism? What did I do? I don't like that they look different. That is racism. You're right. I don't like that they look different. Correct. Hate it. Okay, it looks like I'm gonna have to like piecemeal this out. I think I'll just make a couple styles and then I'll just whatever. I'll just copy and paste them over. Stack of cardboard pixel art boxes. Let's just do that. That was funny. I don't like that they're different. Nope. Try again. I am not. Not a bit. I am married to a Mexican. And so I am legally not a racist. This one's pretty good. Though I don't get what's happening. What is this? What's happening there? It's kind of weird. Let's generate another one. Yeah. Well, I grew up in California, so it's kind of hard not to. Actually, I think these might pass as another version of this. No. Alright, this isn't working for me. I've decided. I've decided that this is not working for me. And I need to do it the old-fashioned way. With Midjourney. I just don't want to draw boxes. I don't mind doing tables and shit, but... Alright, off to bed. Thanks for jumping on, man. Good to hear from ya. I'll catch you in the next one. Stack of pixel art boxes, no background. What?
Actors, we can make you believe we know what we're doing, when in fact, we do not.
Bro, kicks, no colors, no breathing, no fight. Bro, be making the trees work overtime. That's Mike Tyson, this is why George Floyd died. Can see him brain do you float when you smell pie. He's the reason we can't breathe in space. Dodge Remover, bro, has a free AirPod case. If you sit in the same room as bro, you might suffocate. Bro, can't smell GTA 6 release dates. The doctor didn't have to ask him for a deep breath. Bro doesn't score a line, he scores a paragraph. I can see your childhood memories and not back. Leave us some air, bro, you need to be paying your tax. If I can't have water, I want air, I know. So smells like AK Ultra HD mode. When farting, bro, is cooked, bro, I saw you fuck below. What season we cook can cause a hurricane with that nose. And that doesn't need to minimize the enter, bro. Bro uses a shovel to pick his nose. I smell danger, bro, is white on the inside. I can smell sound, bro, can smell cookies from websites. Bro can smell people's dreams. Bro can smell us through the screen.
Through the screen. Oh, fuck. Claude's good. Claude's a very good system. It can handle a lot of text. A lot more than GPT can. Chat GPT. That was funny. Air tax. Here we go. Now we're tacking. Yeah, now I can get like variations of the same one that are similar but different. Lego, Lego. Lego, Lego. Oh wait. It's not working. Oh. I got too far into it. I need stronger variations. Those look exactly the same. Give me different angles. Shit like that. I like how they use the same style. What's your style? Fucking South Park, man. What's your style? Yep. These all look pretty similar. I like it. Now I got the song stuck in my head. You forgot how big my damn record file is? Your record file? Your record? I forgot too. Yeah, I should be fine. Let's just put these two in and see what it looks like. No shit. Boxes, boxes, boxes. Did they say I want some boxes? Yes. Alright. There's a good... Too big. That's a good stack of boxes. It's kind of big. He's gonna have some big equipment though for his lab, but we ain't scots to go crazy. There we go. You can sit there. Let's put another stack over here. Very similar but different. Make them a little smaller. Oh man, he's all packed up. He got fired. What's your style? Alright. Remove background. Ooh, nice. Looks like it's behind the wall a little bit. I like it. I need more. I need more boxes. Just they're all kind of stacked similarly. Hold on, I'm gonna rerun this. Let's go. It won't be like before. Hey, Asteron. Can't say though. Dev board. Knee deep in help forums. Nice. Yeah, let me know if I can help Asteron. Run program from the guy who made Bobiverse books. Ooh, what the hell's that? Run program? I love the Bobiverse books. Trying to figure out how to handle looping when you upload. Because if it loops forever, the file is gonna... Ooh. You shouldn't do looping in the upload. I don't even know why you added looping, to be honest. I don't think we need looping. You know what I mean? I mean, it's fun. Maybe just for like funsies. But like when I was thinking about collabs, it was going to be like they record the full thing and then you collab on top of that. I mean, I get like looping somebody's soundbite and then doing a collab on top of that. That's fine, but then it would only loop as long as the song that the other person recorded, right? 29 errors. Oh shit. Correction. It's from the guy who made Off to... Wait, Scott Meyer made Run Program? Because I love me some Scott Myers. Scott Meyer, Run Program. Ooh, cool. Not a good rating, but neither is mine. What's worse than a child with a magnifying glass, a garden full of ants, and a brilliant mind full of mischief? Try AI. Well, a well-meaning but impish artificial intelligence. I sent him my book, actually, Scott Meyer. Him and his wife, they were moving at the time. But, man, I really wanted to talk to him. That's cool. Yeah, because I mean, I get the idea framework, because basically all AI is like starts as like a toddler, turns into a teenager, you know, then turns into like a mild manner worker. So that's pretty cool. Okay. It's too big. Too many stacks. Too many stacks. Let's do a imagine pixel art cardboard board box with no background. I just want to put a couple like single boxes sitting around. I can grab another style of box as well. You can do like this one too. Oh shit. I hit the mic. And if I move it, it's going to turn off. Nobody panic. Okay, great. That was a close one. Take me away. Yeah, I can do it like there. I need some base. Yo. Something like that. Should probably really get rid of that extra background on this one. Not that one, this one. Doesn't really match the floor. Being a plane that suddenly starts to loop with speaker shouts, "I'm the pilot!" That's awesome. I like it. And Scott Meyer is fucking hilarious, so I'm sure it's funny. Whoops. What I meant to do was that. There we go. Did we get any good single boxes? Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty similar. They can get away with that. Get away with that. Oops, shit. Just do a couple single boxes sitting around. And then we'll do some, like, a table, just chilling. Oh shit. No, 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 no. I do not want to be fucking with the drop shadow. Shit. I need to get rid of that. I hate how the drop shadows are connected. Did I touch any more drop shadows? No. Yeah, I really hate that. I think it's really dumb. I mean, when you don't want them connected. It's cool when you do. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna have to figure out something else. I'll just have to draw some shadows in or something. Yeah, I'll have to do something. Something shadowy. Okay, I need all of you to be rasterized. I just can't. I can't do anything when you're not. How do I rasterize you? One by one? That's annoying as shit. That's a smart object. Alright, Deck Dude. See you around, my friend. Thanks for jumping on. Let's go to layer. Rasterize. Where are you? Rasterize. Oh, shit. Layer. Thank you. And how do I apply mask? Ugh. How do you apply thy mask? Layer. Flatten image. Oh shit. Layer mask. Apply. Thank you. Fuck. Can I just apply the layer mask without rasterizing? No. You must rasterize layer first. Rasterize the layer. I love how depending on where you right click is how it decides what you want to do. Ooh, that worked. Apply layer mask. Nice. Thank you, thank you. Okay. Now I can do some shit. I don't know which one is which. There we go. You. Give me a shadow, dude. Cool. Let's add some shit here. I don't even care where I'm doing it anymore. I should be using my tablet to make the drawing easier, but whatever. At this point, I don't feel like setting it up. That's the problem with the tablet, like the drawing tablet. If you don't want to like set it up, then you're never going to use it. And I've gotten so used to using a trackpad that whatever. Not a giant deal. If I have to use it. I even have a mouse sitting like right under me. There you go. There's some realistic looking shadows on the boxes. There, does that look like that room is being packed up? There's a table over there. There's a room being packed up. And I just want to put like a steel desk in there. I just wonder if I can get a good actually version of it here. See if something good comes up. Nope. Oh man. Yeah. Parts of me like really thought making the game this pixely would be pretty cool. But I already kind of got like a style in mind and I want to be able to do more detail than this. So, and it's going to be a bigger game. Meh. Okay, this is not working for me. Pixel art, video, game, steel table, no background. I'm having a hard time here. It keeps wanting to like do full setups with computers and stuff like that. I'm just trying to get like an empty desk. Maybe I should say empty desk. Oh, here we go. Seeing some just empty desks. Aha. Ooh, this one's good. It even has like some shitty boxes under it. Okay. I might be able to work with this. Has like an old... I don't even know what that is. Telephone or something? Yeah, that'll work. That's your style. What's your style? Something like that. Just kind of chilling. Really? You don't consider this part of the background? What? I appreciate your built-in shadows and shit, but it don't work with my floor. So let's get rid of those myself. Do 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 do. Yeah, I miss being in Translate the Name. That was a really good band. Wasn't super popular. I mean, we had a handful of fans and stuff, but they were really good musicians, and I liked making the songs. Okay, and now let's add some. What's your style? Let's add some drop shadow. Some more like... Oh god, I can't do drop shadow, I forgot. I gotta draw it. My bad. Oh wait, can I draw on you? Or no? I think I can. No, I can't. Let's apply the mask. Alright, there we go. Oh, shit. Let's add some style. Definitely gonna need some shadowing in this area. Definitely some shadowing in this area. Definitely here. And then we're gonna need some over here. Just layering some shadowing. Like an artist. Like a fucking genius. I'm so bad at this. This will work though. Okay. And then, yeah, the whole thing is gonna need a little bit of shadowing, so let's dump into there a bit. Okay. It's pretty good. Table's too big though. That's, I mean, how big's my character? Actually, now I think about it. Let's see what he looks like in the same area. Ooh, I didn't think about it. This is another one of those things. Shit. I just keep forgetting, like, anything in the vicinity that you can run into, you can walk over if it's part of the background. So I'm also going to have to make these into items. Or I'm gonna have to add them to the map as collision points. That's fine. That's fine. I did want to add something on the table you can collect too, so we'll make that work. Let's see here. Something like that. That's a little big. Yeah, like that. Is that same scale? Almost. Still a little big. How about that? Yeah, that's pretty good. Actually, I guess the table's not too big. I mean, not too small. I can probably make it a little smaller. Let's try that. Yeah. Good enough. It's a little tall. But does that look weird? That looks pretty good. Oh shit. Oh, what the fuck? Uh-oh. Did I really put this on top of the wrong thing? What did I put this table on? No. No. I need to lock the fucking background. Hold on. Let's lock anything that I'm not actively touching. Alright, there we go. Can I grab you now? Okay, good. Yeah, that's good. We just kind of jam it in there. Good. So all of that needs to be in the SVG now as collision points. But I think, whatever, it looks pretty good. Those boxes are big now though, now that I think about it. Let's make these much smaller. It's like, I know his equipment's big, but like, those are fucking giant boxes. Yeah, let's like do stuff like that. Uh-oh. I forgot. The shadow was drawn on another one. And then what about you? Yeah, scale's a little better now. Yeah, it's good. Looks like you're fucking up. You got fired. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Correct. Type that a million times. Alright. I like it. I want to export this, and I just kind of want to see how the scale looks and stuff like that, because I'll base all the other items on the map based off of this scale now. Come on, buddy. What did I click? Export for web, right? Yeah, there we go. What is my country? Alright. And then, yeah, probably call on that after this. Sorry if it wasn't super exciting and tons of programming, but, you know, we're at the point where we kind of just need to build the fucking levels out. And that's going to involve a lot of asset creation. I mean, but once you get the assets, you know, the map assets, then it's just going to be a bunch of item assets I got to create. And then we put them all in the game and it starts looking like a video game. That's the whole point, eh? Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to upload this first. The pretty file. Which now I know the extent of the memory that a background image can take. Background image or video. Can't be more than like 10 megs. Yeah, and uploading big images destroys the site for a bit. So I definitely need to finish the game before letting everybody know about it. Because every time I upload a big image, it's going to cause the site to go down, which is not great. Kind of a shitty thing for Cloudflare to do. I don't understand why uploading a big image would do that, but it do. Alright, let's add you to the shit. This is going in Foresight. This is the first area. And I'm just going to add it to the map SVG, which is not actually an SVG. I got to change the label for that. And then let's go ahead and put this in. Oh wait, did I ever change the explore thing? I didn't, did I? Oh yeah, I got it locked out. Idiot. Let me change that real quick. I guess we can still have it up there. I don't know. Whatever. Escape. Escape. Escape to Orbem. There we go. I don't care if it's still up there. I just didn't want it to be explore. Okay, let's see what it looks like now. Oh, I guess we could have clicked a new link. What the fuck? No. Yes. I'm gonna get locked out of my own website again. This is why I need collision point. Hey, it looks pretty good though, scale-wise, huh? Like, it looks like I'm actually standing at the desk. It's not too far off. And even if I, like, give it a little bit of a upper area. Yeah, I like it. I mean, it's still a tall desk for him. You'd have to be sitting on a stool, but yeah, maybe he's got some tall desks. The boxes look pretty good. I like the boxes, you know. I can see his pixel art being in that pixel art. Like, they have very similar pixel densities. Yeah, I could totally see this being an office for him. Let's check out the table. The one that I hand drew. That's the one that probably doesn't look that great. Because there's no, like, shadows or anything like that. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty basic. And I can't even go to it. I'm already broken off. Because the bottom of that wall. So I think what I'm going to have to do is make the wall come down lower. I don't think I really have a choice. It doesn't make sense with how tall these doors are that these walls are so tall. Like, it might be smarter if I actually stop the glass earlier, like I had it before, because then it would look like they're shorter than the wall. But the doors, the walls look like they come up like to my head, which is kind of weird. I don't know. Maybe I need to make this taller. Maybe. These are all things I can tweak. Again, this is pretty damn good compared to what it was, though, as far as like the scale, the 3D perspective. And this is a bot. I'm gonna put a bunch of plants in here. And I'll let you, like, I don't know, break them all or something like that. I also think I want to add a logic for breakables to have like an alt image so that when you do something to it, it looks different. I think that would be kind of fun. Because right now, breakables just go away. Nothing happens. But it'd be better if they had like an alt state. It's probably something we'll add, probably. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I don't know. I like it. This desk is pretty damn steel rustic, but I'm gonna layer this on top of the the SVG, and then I'll just line out all of these things. Okay. So I have this asset, this foresight asset right here. Cancel. So this one right here is my, yeah, here's the one that I just added some shit. So I'll need to take this, basically overlay it on top, so it's like 1-to-1, and then so you can see it's not, wait, is it 1-to-1? Yeah, that's 1-to-1. And then what I can do, I think I can do like low opacity and shit, right? Can I change your opacity or no? No, I guess I can't. But I could just, yeah. What? Why is it going all fucked up like that? Oh. Yeah, then I can like zoom in here. And I can go here. I'll add a layer. And then I can just kind of eyeball it and add rectangles with the same fill color. Damn it. How do I add a new color? No, that's not what I meant to do. I want to do the same red. Oh, here we go. There we go. No, that's a stroke. Come on, dude. Yeah, there we go. Though I don't want to have a stroke. No. 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 There we go. Still has a stroke. No. No stroke. Okay, let's go here. I know I was gonna just bail, but no, I need to do this. Okay. So this. Can I do a shape behind it like that? Did that work? Oh yeah, okay, cool. So I can just do that. Yeah, and then we can just kind of like make rectangles where needed. Do. Yep. Just double check. We'll do another one here. It's good enough. So that will all be blocking you from walking. And they have to be rectangles. So that's why I'm doing it this way. Because if they weren't, you know, if they were like triangles and shit like that, it just wouldn't work. It would be nice if I could do this more accurately, but I have to use rectangles for my collision logic. I wish this fucking thing would go away. There we go. Get out of here. It's pretty good. Do something like that. Just so it comes up a little bit. And I can adjust it. And then let's do this box. We'll just do the whole shabil. I don't want you to be able to walk through this whole area, so that's fine. And I can do this whole thing too. Not too worried about it. You don't need to be able to walk here. And that'll make everything a lot more real. Like they actually exist in this space, right? Let's do the same thing. I don't think the table actually needs it. Yeah, it's already covered. So that's fine. So let's export this now without this. Let's export these two. Export selection. I can't tell. Am I exporting the right thing? Foresight, game creative, foresight new. Let's see if that actually looks like anything. Nope, looks like just a big square. Okay. Nope. Let's try to export this better. Yeah, we should be able to... Oh shit. Yeah, let's try that. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There's a good boy. So now we have the new. And this should actually work right off the bat. So now I should be able to walk through the table. And that's all I'll do the rest of the maps and all the stuff. See, look. See, now I can't... Well, I can phase through it because there's a lot of corners, but you can see I can't walk through it anymore. Phasing is a issue that I have throughout the game. When there are two rectangles that meet and you go diagonally, you can phase through any wall. Pro tip. But yeah, see now? You see? He's trying to walk and he can't. Let me in. I can't walk through boxes now. Cool. I like it. Yeah, and that's how it works. That's how collision points work, and that's how assets work. So all I have to do is build every other fucking thing. I need to put all the assets that you are going to be able to break. All the plants, planters. I mean, technically I could have made all of these boxes into breakables as well, but I don't know. We'll leave it alone. I think it'd be funnier to have this whole botanist, because it's going to be a botanist research office. She's right across from him, from Graham. If it's just covered in plants, and then like you can just break every single plant, trees and all that kind of stuff. It'd be funny. Fucked up because that's like her research, but if you choose, you could do that. And then here, I think I'll add maybe some collectibles, coffee, like I said, and I need to add like a fridge in here, and I want to add the table. So I think I might not limit myself and just build all the furniture and all the assets, and it's really easy for me to add collision points, so I'll just do that after. Hey, everybody, happy Monday/Tuesday. I hope you all had a great night. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna get some sleep because I feel like it. And yeah, man, we'll be back tomorrow working on some more assets. Eventually we'll get to the last shit. There's only a few more maps to make, or like areas to make. And Asteron, always a pleasure. Indy, Udaman, Dactude, thanks for jumping on. Off the Wall, thanks for jumping on. Everybody on the YouTube Shorts live feed, you guys have been great. I've seen you jumping in and out. Hope you've been having a great time watching the random WordPress game engine. And if you've been watching in the future, I hope you subscribe and follow and come see me in person. I'd like to talk to you. And everybody, stop what you're doing and buy some Flex Keys. Flex Keys by Orbem. It's your
Dexterity and Agility Builder. You can buy them on orbemortar.com/shop. Get all your Orbem Order merch right here. Enjoy yourself. Get the books. Get the puzzles. Get the coffee. What? You can buy Orbem Order coffee? Yeah, you can buy Orbem Order coffee. Why can't you buy Orbem Order coffee? How are you supposed to wake up without Orbem Order coffee? And yeah, flex keys. That's what you want. I build these in-house, so anybody in the future watching this, anybody watching right now on the YouTube Shorts live feed, you can get these in any color. Green on green, red on green, whatever you want. You can get these flex keys. They're great for programmers, musicians, rock climbers, anybody who wants their fingers to be a little bit more agile. And they're a hell of a lot of fun to just play around with. Indy can attest to that. And yeah, besides that, we'll call it a night. I'd raid somebody, but not tonight. Monday raids are for losers. That's all I can say. But all right, guys, have a good night. See you in the next one.